Greetings, my friends. Welcome on my YouTube channel, Indic English. I know you all probably belong to different countries, which means you knew different languages. In this video, we'll discuss only regarding few aspects of English language, cause it's not possible to cover all in one video. So watch it until the end. However, one question always arises. Why do you wanna learn English? Whereas you already knew one language. Perhaps for getting jobs, or maybe you wanna immigrate elsewhere. All possibilities are true. Whether you go to school or in university or in corporate world, it gives us several opportunities. But it's just another language, nonetheless, very essential. However, we face a lot of issues with the reference to learning it, cause you didn't have such a right path to learn this language. Don't worry, we'll give you the best and the fast way to learn this language. In this video, we have brought 4 effective points to speed up your English learning journey. First thing, it's a long time process, so you have to make a routine. Like when you get up in the morning, read something, such as a newspaper, anything which interests you. You can read about the articles and movies. It'll keep your learning journey interesting. Second tips, start watching movies. And most important, watch that again and again unless you understand all. It makes our understanding better with the language. Third, find a friend to communicate with. Within a week, you would realize you're learning rapidly. Fourth, build your own collection of vocabulary, especially verbs, in order to describe anything. The more verb you know, the better you can explain. Follow all these for 2 weeks. You will see changes. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning, have fun.